guys, we're back with another vlog, and for today's video, I'm going to explain more about the YesStyle Influencer program because when I posted this video, the basic influencer guide for YesStyle, I received a lot of comments and questions from influencers worldwide who are also interested in YesStyle. So I'm creating this video to give a more detailed view of YesStyle. The previous video of YesStyle that I've posted is the most simplified version. So if you still haven't watched that, I suggest that you pause this video first and check the link of the previous video on the description below. Watch that first before you go and return here because I'm sure that you will learn the more important things on that video before you go into the details in this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll get updated with my every video release. By the way, I would like to thank YesStyle for the dress that I'm wearing right now. It's the Black Susanna Mesh Panel Lantern Sleeve Mini Sheath dress, and it's the same black dress that I've worn on a K-pop inspired fashion haul video and the same black dress that I've posted on Instagram, so you can check it out here. And guys, I have good news for you. You can get this at a discounted price,
plus 5%.
if you use my rewards code YESCOLS and the rewards link that I have for YesStyle, which is linked on the description below. This dress is featured on YesStyle's discounted spring catalog, so if you want to buy this, I'm giving you more discounts. Aside from the rewards code and rewards link that I have shared previously, I'm giving you additional 2 codes that you can use. First, in celebration of Women's Month, until March 31, you can use the code Choose to Bear for additional 12% discount for orders worth $59 and up. Also, in celebration of YesStyle's 100,000 influencers, we are giving you the code BLOOM21 for an additional 15% discount on your orders. It's only until March 28, so hurry up and place your orders now. YesStyle is really generous and I can really feel the love that they have for influencers, so I might as well share YesStyle with you so you can experience it too. Now on to YesStyle's main homepage. So I'll be wearing my glasses because I'll be using my laptop, and here we go. Just go to www.yesstyle.com and you will be redirected to this page, and it says, "Welcome to YesStyle. Philippines has been selected as your shipping destination." So this is how it looks like. Basically, if you're new to YesStyle, you can browse through and you can see that they have a lot of products. They have both clothes, cosmetics, they have lifestyle equipment, pet accessories, in-stock items, and everything. So with here, you can see product reviews and also the suggestions that they have for you. But since we're talking about influencer stuff, we are going to focus first on the code and link. So this is one of the main questions that I'm getting. I got a lot of questions about this, about the rewards code and the rewards link. So first, let's go here in YesStyle Influencer. So after clicking that, you will be redirected in this page. And if you're already logged into your account, you can see this Share Now button. So you're just going to click that. So the rewards code is this one. It's yes plus the code that you want to use from your name. So for me, it's YesCalls. So this is your rewards code. The rewards code is different from the rewards link. So the rewards link is this one, this entire thing. But if you are putting this on the description of your post or captions, you can use this shorten button, and it will shorten the link that you have, and you're just going to copy this one, and it will be redirected to your clipboard, and you can just paste it already to your description boxes on YouTube videos or captions on Instagram and Facebook. So if you're asking what's the difference between a code and a link, it's actually stated stated on the bottom portion of this page. So it says here, how do I earn commission? So the difference lies on the percentage of commission that you will be getting as an influencer. So if the customer only used your rewards code, that will be of lesser percentage than when the customer used your rewards link. So as stated here, if it's a new customer, if the new customer only used your rewards code, it's just 5%. But if the customer used your rewards link, it will be 10%. For returning customer, it's 2% and 4% respectively for rewards code and rewards link. So might as well promote your rewards link to have greater commission percentages. So what if, like you have read everything here on the terms and conditions, you have read everything written on the website, and you have also followed YesStyle on their Instagram page, and you still have questions, well, you can email YesStyle directly. So it's found here. Just click on the frequently asked questions on the same page. And at the bottom portion, you can see this one. You can email us for YesStyle Influencer related inquiries using this link. Now, you can click this and you will be redirected to a page where you can directly email YesStyle, and they will surely reply to whatever inquiry you have relating to the influencer program. Next question. A lot of you are asking why there are times where you can't click this button, claim now. It may be because first, the item that you want to claim at the time that you're claiming it is already claimed by other influencers. It means that the stocks that they have are already full, so they don't have enough stocks to give to you. So with that, you just have to wait for another free sponsored item and claim it, as long as the percentages of stocks that they have are still not full. I think the other reason for that, why you can't claim, aside from the stocks, is your address. Maybe you still haven't accomplished all of the needed informations for your account, so they couldn't allow you to claim a product still. But it also depends if your account is already accepted by YesStyle. Maybe others are claiming it, but their account to be an influencer is still not yet accepted, so you can't claim a product. Because as I've mentioned on the previous video, this is not just a free product, because you have to post your review on your chosen social media account. So you have to get your account accepted first by YesStyle before they allow you to claim your products and post your reviews on the chosen social media account. So what if you already received your item? So what you're going to do is just go to the portion of your order history. Once you've reached that part, there will be this portion where you can choose the item and write a review. So you're just going to put the rating for your item, and for me, I've already prepared on the side the reviews of the item that I want to give a review of. So I just put the title and then the reviews, so it will be easy for me to just copy paste it. And then you are going to select the pictures that you're going to upload for your review. So these are the same pictures that I uploaded on Instagram. You just have to wait for it to upload. It depends, of course, on your internet connection. And wait for it to actually process. And after that, you're just going to click on the upload portion. But there are still guidelines for product reviews. Before uploading, of course, you have to read that first. And what's included there are actually the guidelines that they're expecting you when you're writing a review. Just make sure that the reviews you're writing are actually honest, and then you have to submit it. And what will happen is you're going to receive this one. Thank you for submitting a review. And you'll be getting YesStyle points whenever you post a review but it does not appear immediately because YesStyle reviews your reviews first before having them published. And if they see that you did not violate any of their terms and conditions, that's when your review will be posted and they will give you the corresponding YesStyle points. Actually, you can link the actual review on the Instagram post that you have and just link it on YesStyle so that others can directly click that. So maybe you can try it. Just go to the link of your Instagram post, the three dots, just click that and then share or copy link, whatever is on your web page, and just copy that and paste it here and then get link or get Instagram photo. If it's okay and if there are no technical problems, that will immediately upload the photos directly to your review portion. And also, aside from actually posting your reviews on YesStyle's website and your dedicated social media page, they will still require you to actually answer a Google form that will be sent through email, and you're just going to fill it out with the corresponding links of the posts that you have created and the reviews that you have made, to just ensure that you have followed all of the instructions that they have. And of course, it has a deadline. So this is actually the picture of the email. I can't actually disclose all the important details, but this is how it looks like if you're going to receive the Google Forms email. So now let's talk about the YesStyle points or YS points. So you can find it here. So just click this button, go to my account, and all of the summary of your accounts, commissions, and everything will be in this page. So just go down. Here in my rewards, you can see the YS points balance. So for me, I already have 600 points. So how did I get these points? So as you can see here, it's just because of the product reviews that I've posted. So every time you post a quality product review that actually met their standards, you will be getting 100 YesStyle points. And of course, I posted 6, so I got 600. So in YesStyle, every 100 points is equivalent to $1. So you can use that to buy something on YesStyle's page. And YesStyle points is not unlimited because it has an expiration date. So for me, it expires on June 30, so I have to use it immediately. So if you have already browsed through YesStyle's main website, you will notice and you'll get a background of what Elite Club is. So Elite Club can be found here. Just click this. You are a YesStyle influencer and you will be redirected to this page. So basically, Elite Club is just like the hub of all the influencers with tiers, and the higher you are on the hierarchy, the higher the YS points that you will be getting every time that you purchase. So how do you get a higher tier or rank on the hierarchy here in the Elite Club? Of course, you have to spend. If you have a cumulative spending of $500, you are already a gold member, and your advantage is every $1 that you spend, you earn 10 YS points. Unlike if you're just a regular member, you will just get 1 YS point for every $1 that you spend. And here's the good news. As long as you already registered to be a YesStyle influencer, you are already part of the Elite Club. You will be receiving the virtual membership card that renews after 12 months. So for example, you are a gold member and after 12 months you have not reached the cumulative spending amount of 500, you will be put back into being a regular member. So every time that you buy, the points that you have will still be 1 YS points for every $1 that you spend. And now we will be talking about commission. So again, for the commission, we can check it in my account. So as you can see, the commission that I have is 2.96 US dollars, and it says that it's 4%, which means that a returning customer used my rewards link. That's why I earned 4% from what she bought. Thank you so much for using my rewards link, and it really means so much to me as a micro influencer. So guys, if you are going to purchase something on YesStyle, please don't forget to use my rewards code and my rewards link because you're helping me a lot. And I just like to share with you guys that your commission is not available for a long time, because as for me, I received this March 17, but this will expire already on June 30. So I have to reach the minimum amount of commission before I'm able to withdraw it, or else if I'm not able to reach it by June 30, my $2.96 will be lost. So guys, please use my rewards code and rewards link. And just to share with you guys the minimum amount of commission for you to withdraw your money or your commission directly to the bank or through PayPal, it must be $200 US. So I hope that I have already answered all of your questions, and if you still have questions, just comment it down below. Or if it needs a little more detail, my Instagram account is always open for questions. Just send me a DM. It's at afable.colleen. You can send that and I will surely reply to your queries regarding YesStyle, because I'm really willing to help my co-influencers so that they can enjoy the benefits of YesStyle too. So that will be all for this video, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this, and also comment down below if you have other video suggestions, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated with my every video release. That's all, candies!